Blending has become an essential part of modern culinary practices. And whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, right blender can make all the difference. Enter this Vitamix Series 750 blender. Pearl gray powerhouse designed to elevate your kitchen experience. Known for its robust construction, versatile functionality, and ease of use, the Vitamix 750 is more than just a blender. It's a comprehensive tool that helps you craft everything from smoothies to soups, nut butters to frozen desserts. In this detailed review, we'll explore the many facets of the Vitamix Series 750 blender, from its design and build quality to its performance and user experience. By the end of this article, you'll have a thorough understanding of why the Vitamix 750 is considered one of the best blenders on the market today. The Vitamix Series 750 blender is built with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Sleek, low-profile design in pearl gray is not just pleasing to the eye, but also practical, fitting comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. The blender is designed to be durable, with a robust build that can withstand the demands of daily use. Pearl gray finish of the Vitamix 750 gives it a modern, sophisticated look, complements any kitchen decor. The blender's design is streamlined. Clean lines and a minimalist control panel makes it easy to use while maintaining an elegant appearance. The low-profile 64-ounce container is made from BPA-free Triton plastic, which is not only durable but also lightweight, making it easy to handle. When you invest in a Vitamix, you're investing in a product that is built to last. The Series 750 blender is no exception, featuring aircraft-grade stainless steel blades that are designed to handle even the toughest ingredient. The motor base is solid and heavy, which helps to keep the blender stable during use, even at high speeds. This level of build quality ensures that your Vitamix will remain a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. One of the standout features of the Vitamix Series 750 blender is its impressive performance. With a powerful 2.2 horsepower motor, this blender is capable of handling a wide range of blending tasks with ease. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or nut butters, the Vitamix 750 delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. 2.2 horsepower motor is designed to provide the optimal amount of power for blending even the toughest ingredient. From ice and frozen fruits to nuts and fibrous vegetables, the Vitamix 750 can tackle it all without breaking the sweat. This power allows the blender to create smooth, consistent textures in a fraction of the time it would take with a less powerful machine. One of the features that set the Vitamix 750 apart from other blenders is its automated blending capability. The blender comes with 5 pre-programmed settings, allowing you to create smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, and purees with the touch of a button. These settings take the guesswork out of blending, ensuring that you get perfect results every time, regardless of the recipe. In addition to the automated settings, the Vitamix 750 also offers variable speed control and a pulse feature, giving you complete control over the texture of your blends. The variable speed dial allows you to fine-tune the blending process, from slow and steady, fast and furious, depending on the ingredients and the desired consistency. The pulse feature is perfect for adding a burst of power when you need to chop or mix ingredients quickly without over-processing them. The Vitamix Series 750 is incredibly versatile, capable of handling a wide variety of blending tasks with ease. From making smoothies and juices to preparing hot soups and sauces, this blender is a true kitchen workhorse. Smoothies are one of the most popular uses for blenders, and the Vitamix 750 excels in this area. The powerful motor and stainless steel blades ensure that fruits, vegetables, and ice blended to a perfectly smooth consistency, leaving no chunks or bits behind. Whether you're making a simple fruit smoothie or a more complex green smoothie packed with veggies and superfoods, the Vitamix 750 delivers consistently delicious results. One of the unique features of the Vitamix 750 is its ability to create hot soups directly in the blender. Friction from the blades generates enough heat, brings soups to a serving temperature without the need for a stove. This feature is perfect for making creamy, velvety soups like tomato bisque or butternut squash soup. Additionally, the Vitamix 750 can easily blend sauces and dressings, making it a versatile tool for any kitchen. For those who enjoy making homemade nut butters or frozen desserts, the Vitamix 750 is up to the task. The blender's powerful motor and durable blades can handle tough ingredients like nuts and frozen fruits, turning them into smooth, creamy butters or delicious frozen treats in minutes. This capability adds to the blender's versatility, making it an indispensable tool for any home cook. The Vitamix Series 750 is designed to be user-friendly, with intuitive controls and features that make blending a breeze. From the automated settings to the self-cleaning function, this blender simplifies the blending process and minimizes cleanup time. The Vitamix 750 features a simple control panel with a variable speed dial, pulse switch, and 5 pre-programmed settings. These controls are easy to understand and use, making it simple to achieve the perfect blend for any recipe. The pre-programmed settings are particularly convenient for busy cooks who want consistent results without having to manually adjust the speed or blending time. One of the most convenient features of the Vitamix 750 is its self-cleaning capability. After blending, simply add a drop of dish soap and warm water to the container. Then run the blender on its highest speed for 30 to 60 seconds. The blender will clean itself, eliminating the need for disassembly, making cleanup quick and easy. This feature is a game changer for anyone who dreads the task of cleaning up after cooking. Vitamix blenders are known for their durability, and the Series 750 is no exception. Built with high-quality materials and designed to withstand the demands of daily use, this blender is a reliable investment that will serve you well for years to come. The Vitamix 750 is equipped with aircraft-grade stainless steel blades that are designed to stay sharp and perform consistently, even after years of use. These blades are capable of handling tough ingredients without dulling or wearing out, ensuring that you get the same high-quality results from your first blend to your last. Vitamix stands behind the quality of its products, and the Series 750 blender comes with a comprehensive warranty that covers defects in materials and workmanship. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected and that Vitamix is committed to customer satisfaction. Conclusion: the Vitamix Series 750 blender is a top-of-the-line kitchen appliance that delivers professional-grade performance in a sleek, user-friendly package. Whether you're a home cook looking to elevate your culinary creations or a professional chef in need of a reliable blending tool, the Vitamix 750 is a worthy investment. From its powerful motor and versatile blending capabilities to its durable construction and easy-to-use features, Vitamix 750 offers everything you could want in a blender. Its ability to handle a wide range of tasks, from making smoothies and juices to preparing hot soups and nut butters, makes it an indispensable tool in any kitchen. With its combination of performance, durability, and convenience, the Vitamix Series 750 blender is truly in a class of its own. If you're ready to take your blending game to the next level, the Vitamix 750 is the blender for you. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.